Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Apps Academy. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to make a voice or video call on Signal. To make a secure voice or video call on Signal application, first of all, open up your Signal app on your smartphone and log into your account. From your chat screen, go ahead and select a contact you want to call, or you can also tap on the pencil icon at the top right and enter the contact's name, username, or number in the search bar to find them. Once you open up a conversation, you will see two different icons. One looks like a video icon and one looks like the phone receiver icon. To make a phone call or audio call, tap on the receiver button. To make a video call, tap on the video camera icon. Wait for the call to connect. Once the person picks up, you will be able to see the live call screen. You can mute, switch to video or audio, or end the call anytime. To end the call, tap on the red receiver phone icon at the bottom right to hang up. While making a call, make sure you and your contact have a strong internet connection for better call quality. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more beginner-friendly tutorials like this. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.